Hi friends, welcome to Tech Review for You YouTube channel. This is English version of unboxing. Today I have purchased a digital oscilloscope from online store AliExpress, and I am going to unbox it. Digital oscilloscopes are very famous today due to the usage we can measure, especially in power electronics. Frequency, especially we can see the waveform of sine wave which is used in inverters, and due to this I have purchased, dear friends, I have purchased it for my lab. First of all, we will discuss about its packing is good. You can see form, which is very reliable in electronics product shipping, and there is a, you can see that here is a shipping label, and this is cotton tape. Now you can see that this is the seafoam box. This is a thermopole box, which is very good in shipping products. This is first of all we see here, because this signal cable. So I have ordered. You can see here zip pouch. You can see this is latest zip pouch. This is BNC connector. Yeah, this probe is very expensive, approximately half of the price of oscilloscope. You can see this is checking probe, and this is BNC, which will use to connect oscilloscope. Now I am going to use this BNC with oscilloscope. Friends, oscilloscope was available without this probe with minimum price down, but I have ordered it because nice probe with good wire length. This is 1x and x10. Now finally I am going to unbox my oscilloscope. Charging adapter is not included in the package. You can see that here is warranty. There is a seal which is also a very good. Now friends, here there is a charging cable which is type C, and these are crocodile clips which can be used with instead of this probe. If we will use it, now I am going to use this is a DDS and DS0. Now friends, you can see that this way we can use this probe only by inserting it. Now I am going to power on. There is a small tiny button of power on. Now first of all I have to select language. Oh, actually there is a button on upside. You can use it with the oscilloscope. Now I have to configure, first of all I have to change its language. You can see there are two options. One is for oscilloscope, second is for signal generator, and third is for settings. Now you can see that English language has been changed. Now I am going to use this probe DS0. There are two probes. One is for oscilloscope and other is for signal generator. Now I am going to use oscilloscope. So now you can see. So friends, this was our unboxing. So I hope you will like it. Now we are going to close our video and will share complete details how to use it. I would like to thank you for watching this video and goodbye. Take care.